Now you know. Now you know. If you know, you know. The big ballers in town. Now you know. Now you know. Forget what I know them. Yes. Agbabola. How much is money?
It's nothing.
Ballin'. Premium or nothing. Now you know.
Now you know.
Now you know.
Now you know.
Forget what I know them.
Members of the prestigious Odibeze Women Association, Houston, Texas, cordially invite you to their 23rd anniversary and induction ceremony coming up on October 4, 2025 at 7 p.m. prompt.
Undisputed. Unopposed. Luxury or nothing. Money is talking. Money is talking. Blessings on blessings. Forget what I know them.
Venue, Igbo Catholic Church Community Center, 8250 CREEKBEND Drive, Houston, Texas.
Now you know. Now you know. Now you know.
Now you know.
The theme of this year's induction is Empowering Our Children, Our Future. New members will be formally welcomed and integrated into the prestigious Odibeze Women Association. The inductees are Lady Dr. Obiageli Onuogu, Osodieme, Chief Engineer Dr. Lolo Bella Eni, Ugosimba, Princess Jane Ezechukwu Adugo, Mrs. Maureen Mweke Ochilinedieze, Mrs. Cecilia Opala Agwabumawani, High Chief Attorney Eukaria Ifeyinwa Anichie Adugo Amulonamma Odibeze, Dr. Chizaba Njako Gold Umuagwala. Mark your calendar, Saturday, October 4, 2025, for Odibeze Women Association, Houston, Texas, 23rd anniversary and induction ceremony. For further information, please contact Dr. Mrs. Ifi Ogumike, President, Dr. Edith Anyagafo, General Secretary, Mrs. Uju Jacinta Mweke, Induction Chairperson, Mrs. Chiugo Ajene, Vice President, Dr. Mrs. Uche Igwe, Publicity Relations Officer, Mrs. Patricia Amwefule, Induction Vice Chairperson, Mrs. Ebele Omugaje, Induction Secretary. Odibeze Women Association, Houston, Texas, making a difference in the community. Save the date, Saturday, October 4, 2025. See you there.